We have been through a period of increased sophistication about the understanding about human needs and the problems that people confront in a complex, urban, modern society. Even if we're not an urban area, a lot of those problems still confront us.
One of the areas that we will probably be seeing a lot of need in the coming years will be in the area of geriatric services.
Bennington has one of the oldest average populations in the state of Vermont, and getting more so every day. And there are certainly mental and personality difficulties that are associated with aging.
What's difficult and frustrating is to make palpable to people the inextricable oneness of mental and physical health. They aren't two separate pieces. It is the mind-body connection.
Funding has always been an issue, always advocating with the legislature.
It's never been an easy road to hoe to finance this kind of a service.
There's always that concern how to maintain a good workforce, how to recruit really good, skilled new people when finances are a bit of a struggle.
I certainly know that there's unmet needs out there. There's the families with the kids that are home that can't get through the door. As much as we'd like to serve them, we just don't have the funding ability to be able to do that.
We just need to keep paying attention to the signs of the times, and I think we have done that well. I think we've had a team that has been willing to wrestle with the hard choices and also take the chances and take the risk.
Our mission, which is to help individuals and families improve their quality of life, won't be accomplished without continued involvement and support from the community. We're excited to fulfill that mission, and we hope that the community will join hands with us as we move forward to provide folks the experience that the agency has been able to provide them in the last 50 years.
We take the opportunity. We don't never know when we're the last touch, when somebody's just about ready to make a change, and it's been our privilege to be part of that.
Nadine here is a sweetheart.
I'm really proud to be part of the organization, and I'm proud to be part of what they offer the community. It's really a privilege.
Oh, you want me to sing it? The beginning of it. All right. The one and Mrs. Lady, Mrs. Barrow. When, oops, I forgot.
That's good. All right, that's a wrap.
No, it's not. No, it's not even a wrap yet. It's the Brady Bunch. The Brady Bunch. Then became the Brady Bunch. Da 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 da.